clumsy. Any DIY brides out there? We are making this video for you. We're gonna take you through our bridal process that we do with our bridal clients here in Vancouver, and we're gonna give you some tips on how to achieve a really awesome summer bridal look using natural makeup products. Step one is prepping the skin. Prepping the skin is so important for your bridal makeup look and your wedding day. And this doesn't just mean prepping your skin on the day of. This is like 2 weeks before to however many months you want to do this for. So always drinking a lot of water. We try to tell our bridal clients to drink as much water as they can for the 2 weeks before their wedding day because it's really going to show in your skin how much water you're drinking.
The next step is exfoliation. You definitely want to be showing your best self, so exfoliate twice a week leading up to your wedding day. Do a gentle exfoliation, usually in the evenings, and this is just gonna help bring all those new skin cells to the surface, and it will help make your makeup look as best as possible.
And a good product for this for the 2 weeks before is the Konjac sponge, I find, because it's gentle enough that you can use it every day. We always encourage our brides to pamper themselves the night before their wedding, and so using a deeply hydrating serum mask is really great for this. The one thing that we do want to say about using skincare products and makeup products before the big day is making sure that your skin doesn't react to them. So make sure you're testing these products well ahead of time. That way if you put on a mask and your skin doesn't like it, you don't have a red face or you don't break out the day before your wedding.
The mask that we love is the Viva Hyaluronic Acid and Collagen mask.
Try not to pluck, wax, or thread your eyebrows too close to your wedding day. We always like to say it's safe maybe 3 or 4 days before.
I would even say 7.
Okay.
Just to be safe.
Just to be safe. If you're really reactive,
Yeah.
The last thing that you want to do when prepping your skin before you put on your makeup is always put on sunscreen. If you're going to be outside at all during your wedding day, you definitely want to protect your skin by using a sunscreen. And in this video, I'm using the Salt and Stone Mineral Sunscreen, and it's an SPF of 30. The next point I want to talk about is doing the eyes first. And this is really important if you're wearing eyeshadows, because the eyeshadow can fall a little bit under your eyes, and so doing the eyes first is just gonna make it a little bit easier when you're doing your foundation. And so in this video, the first thing that I used is a blending brush, and by using a cone-shaped blending brush, it's gonna make it a lot easier for you to really get a nice soft blended look rather than using a denser brush that may make your eyeshadow look kind of harsh. So using the blending brush is really important. You always want to make sure to curl your lashes. This is gonna make your lashes look a little bit longer, especially if you don't want to wear false eyelashes. So curling your eyelashes before mascara is a really good tip. And if you want to use a natural mascara and you don't want it to bleed down your face if you are a crier, the Sappho Organics Mascara is really great for that.
Or you can use a waterproof mascara.
It's
for the one day.
For the one day, definitely use a waterproof mascara, but if you don't want to, the Sappho mascara is a good option. Another thing that you want to do for your eyes is use a brow balm or a brow pomade, and this is just going to bring a little bit more attention to your eyes and really shape your eye area and just look a little bit more polished if you're doing your own makeup. Sometimes people forget to do their brows. And then the last thing I did was adding a little bit of light to the eyes by adding kind of like a shimmery color to the inside corner of the eye and right on the lid. And that's going to bring attention to your eyes. It's going to make you look a little bit more awake, and it's just going to add a nice little sparkle and gleam. The eyeshadow that I used in the corner of the eyes is called Rebecca from Sappho. If you're having a summer wedding, something that you really want to consider is wearing a lighter foundation. This is going to ensure that your makeup isn't really melting off of your face if it's a really hot day, because I've seen it happen and I've had it happen to me before. So choosing a lighter foundation, the Sappho foundation is a really great option because it is a medium coverage foundation. It's going to take down lots of redness, but it's also going to feel really light on your face. And I used a blending sponge in this video to blend out my foundation, and I find that this just makes it give a really skin-like finish. Always keep a powder on hand. In this video, I'm using the Sappho Silky Setting Powder, and this is really great in the T-zone and for the next step of where I'm going to put my blush. Emma's blush is a really great option for your wedding day because it's just gonna give you a really nice, soft, beautiful bridal finish.
And it's so easy to use.
What are you most concerned about doing your own makeup for your wedding day? Comment below and we will do our best to give you some tips for that. The next thing we want to talk about is lips, and we always tell our brides to DIY their own lip scrub because it's so easy. You don't need to buy it. All you need is a little bit of sugar and coconut oil. Mix that up and use that for the week before your wedding just by giving your lips a little bit of a scrub. I tried to wipe it off in this video and then I ended up just eating it because it's just sugar and lip balm. So go ahead, have a little
sugar
treat.
Coconut oil. Yeah.
Sugar and coconut oil, that's what I meant.
Good source of energy.
Always put a lip balm on for a couple days before your wedding day and right before you put on your lip color. And the lip color that I used in this video is Spa Day from Spela. And because these are a longer wearing lip color, they are a little bit drier than, you know, something like a lip gloss or the Elate lipsticks. And so that's why I put the lip balm on before. But these colors will stay all night. You can eat, drink with them. You may need to touch up the corners a little bit throughout the night, but that kind of takes us to our next tip is having a touch-up kit. So having a little touch-up kit in your bag, we tell people just give it to your maid of honor or whoever's gonna, you know, help you throughout the day, your mom or whoever has your bag. And what we like to keep in this are tissues, blotting paper. You can keep your powder in here, bobby pins, spare eyelash glue, mints, gum, you know, whatever you can kind of think of that you might need throughout the day. Just keep it in a little touch-up kit and you will have everything you need.
One tip I have for the brides getting married in the summer, and this is actually for anyone who's prone to being in the sun and getting hot and sweaty, carry a cute little parasol with you. You can just, you know, the number one tip I have for keeping your makeup fresh is staying out of the direct sun. So carry a cute little parasol, stay cool, and stay fresh.
Do you want to wear fake eyelashes on your big day? Check out our video, Cruelty-Free Eyelashes. Do ethical eyelashes exist? To learn about cruelty-free lashes and how you can apply them. If you're gearing up to do your own makeup for your wedding day this spring or summer, fall or winter, we hope that this video inspired you, gave you some tips, and is leaving you a little bit more confident to take on the task of doing your makeup. And don't worry, whatever you do, it's going to be the best day of your life regardless, and you will look absolutely beautiful.
Are you ready to make the switch to healthier beauty products? We're constantly curating our online shop with our favorite natural beauty products. We feel confident that you will love everything we have in the store. Visit thegreenbeautycollective.com to have a look for yourself.
If you enjoyed this video, please let us know by giving it a thumbs up and liking it, commenting below, or sharing it with friends, family, or fellow natural beauty lovers.
And if you subscribe to our channel, you'll get a notification every time we upload a new video.
So make sure to click the bell to subscribe. And as always,
see you on Tuesday!